Dura-Gold. Dura-Gold Premium Mini Sanding Disc. Mini discs are great for wood, automotive, metal, plastics, fiberglass, primers, and much more. Before and after. Hook and loop backing for quick attachment and removal. How Dura-Gold discs are made. Aluminum oxide corundum that's fused with zirconia alumina delivers a fast, long-lasting, sharp cut. Scan to order. Dura-Gold also manufactures a full line of abrasives, sanding tools, polishers, and more. Take your project to the next level.